In this video I'm going to show you how to change the default currency symbol in Google Sheets. It's very easy. What you need to do is to enter some data. Let's say it is 2,500 pounds. Now, let's say we would like to change this to the US currency, then go to File, and after that go to Settings all the way down, select Settings, and now you need to change your location. So we will change it to the United States. Once you have changed it, then save and reload. And as you can see, we have now reloaded our sheet. I will zoom a little bit in to make it more visible for you guys. And once I have selected the salary, then I will press on the format currency, and now it has changed to the US dollar currency. And this is how you change the default currency symbol in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.